Alright, a routine 471 single phase test on a standard single phase meter. Now the settings here are nominal settings which can be adjusted with the medium switch. The medium switch just indicates that the nominal figures of 5, 10, 15, 20 and 30 amps have been selected. The high is plus 10% of those figures, and the low is a minus 10% of those figures. Okay, so if we just put it back to medium, if we'd like to select a current that is, of course, we have two ranges. We have a high range, we have a low range. If we'd like to select a low range, that's approximately 10% of the values that you see here. So if we go to the menu and select tests, and of course we select meter tests, number 2, and then we scroll down, okay, we have an option here for low load current or high load current. So if we press number 3, we're simply toggling low load current on or off. In our case, because we'd like to try to test this meter at 2 amps or plus or minus 10% of 2 amps, we want to toggle it back on. So we press 3 again and we'll run the test. Just press 9. So as you can see, the current is at 1.998 amps. It's pretty close to the nominal 2 amp figure for low range amperage. So I hope you understand that. If we stop this and then we go to plus, or go to the high mode and then start the test again in low load current range, you'll see that the current increases by approximately 10%. See, now it's at 2.12, and of course vice versa if we select this in the low mode. But again, I wouldn't recommend switching these while it's operating. Switch it once the unit's been turned or the injection has been shut down.